Today in this video I would like to share how to test DC voltage with analog multimeter. You can use any brand and any model, and that's the basic will be the same. So there is two lead, one is red and one is black, and here will be three socket to plug this lead. So the black lead always going to plug to the COM here, which is for the minus, and the red lead you need to plug to red this side, red socket here, which is positive. And here one more socket. This is you can only use when you want to test for the current, the ampere. So to check the DC voltage, here is this analog multimeter. They already write here DCV. So this DCV is indicate for DC voltage, and ACV is indicate for AC voltage, and here K, all this thing is indicate for resistor value, and this is buzzer, and here DC milliamp is indicate for to testing DC ampere. So the DC voltage, there are a lot of DC types, DC voltage. So basically the source there is a battery DC and power supply DC. So both are the DC, but one is for the battery and one is the power supply. So in the battery also there is a lot of sizes and a lot of voltage. So if you want to check your DC voltage, you have to know how many voltage your DC voltage you're going to test. So for example, here I have a 9 volt. Every battery they will indicate the voltage. So this 9 volt they already indicate is 9 volt. So I'm going to test a 9 volt battery. So by the time I need to select to the DC, and here is 9 volt, then the range I have to select more voltage than the battery. So battery is 9 and I need to select at least 10. If I select here, I will not get the reading. So this time I'm going to select 10 here, and the red is the small here. The battery they will always write the voltage here. Here is positive and here is negative. So here already select to 10. Here is 9 volt, and this side is positive and this side negative. So how many voltage I get? I get a voltage. So consider this battery is already low. This battery is already low out already. This is already used this battery, so the voltage is no more full. So how we can read? Since this is we select to 10, and you need to check around here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This range you are going to read. So this range. So active, positive, I'm getting here is 8, which means 8 voltage. If I'm supposed to get around here going to be 9, so but I get only 8, which means the battery is already low. And here this battery is the double S size, and they indicate here is 1.5 volt, and this side is positive, and this side is negative. So how many voltage I get here is not even reached to 1. So here is 0 to 2, 0 to 2. Between 0 to 2 I should get at least 1.5. Here is 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, at least 1.5. The voltage should be 1.5, but how many voltage I get is only 1. So this battery is only have 1 voltage, so which means the voltage is already dropped. Okay, and here another types. This is my laptop charger. So this is DC power supply. So the charger is DC. We need to check if you want to check your charger or any power supply. You need to check the first then is the output. So output voltage is 19 volt. The ampere, we cannot check the ampere. We cannot check the ampere while using this multimeter, because this ampere they indicated is this power supply will only handle below 3.42 ampere. So if your load is more than 3.42 ampere, this power supply will be damaged. So this is why they indicate 3.42 ampere. So we're going to check only the voltage, so 19 volt. And if we want to check 19 volt DC, and the multimeter selection need to be at least 50. So this time we need to check in the second layer, second light, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the 19 voltage should be 0, 10, 20. So at least not reach to 20. So you need to check around here. The needle should be around here. So the red lead is inside and the black lead is outside. So we get 19 voltage. So this is why we call analog. Analog, we didn't get the voltage by the display, we get by this analog needle. So this is how to test DC voltage with analog meter, and thank you for watching my video.